Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Yeah, we continue with our series on factorizing. Today we'll do the factorization of perfect square trinomials. What do I mean by that? Perfect square, if we have a quadratic expression and we can factorize with the two identical factors, that's called a perfect square. Na nitatoa example. Before we get into example, let's do this. We know a plus b whole square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two identity, they are known as a perfect square. The reason for that is when we factorize the expression into this format, this is what we will get. So let's do some example and we see how we can do this type of an exercise or factorization. Suppose you've been given x square plus 18x plus 81, and they ask you to factorize this quadratic expression. We can factorize this without using perfect square, but I just want to show you how can we do this using a perfect square. The first thing, you need to compare this with either a plus b whole square or a minus b. How will you know which one to compare out of these two? You look at the middle term. Our middle term on this one is 18x. What's the sign for the middle term? Is plus. So our expression will be in the form of a plus b. So if we take a plus b, what is equal to? Is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we compare our given quadratic expression with the perfect square, we see our a is x and our b is 81. We are under the assumption a is equal to x and b is equal to, no, b is not equal to 81, because we need to write this number b square is equal to 81. So we will get b is equal to 9. For that, I can say a is x and b is 9, but I need to make sure the middle part, like the middle term 18x, can be written into the form of 2a times b. My 2ab is equal to what? 2 times what is a is x, what is b is 9. 2 times 9 is equal to 18x. So yes, my middle term is 2ab. So therefore, this expression I've been given is a perfect square, and I can factorize that using a plus b. What is my a is x, and what is my b is 9. Therefore, x square plus 18x plus 81 is equal to what? Is equal to, what is my a? My a is x, and what is my b is 9 whole square. And that will be the factorization of that example. Let's do example number 2, or if you want to consider example 1, but part B is entirely up to you. Let's say we've been given x square minus 4x plus 4, and they say factorize this expression. First of all, I need to look at this expression. The middle term, it has a negative sign, so I can compare this with a minus b, because the middle term, it has this term here, it has negative sign. I can compare this with a minus b. But before I compare, I just want to rewrite this into the form of a plus b whole square, which is, this will be a square minus my middle part. I can split that into 2 times x plus what? 4 is equal to 2 square. Then what do I have? I've got a minus b, right? A minus b whole square is equal to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. If I compare, I got a is my x and b 2, b is equal to 2. I've got a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. All I want to do, I just want to find minus 2ab. Minus 2ab, will it give me the middle terms, which is minus 4x, which is equal to minus 2, what is a, is x, what is b, 2, and this give me minus 4x. So this proof the given expression is in the form of perfect square, so I can say x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to what? A minus b, because the middle term, it has a negative sign. What is my a is equal to x, what is my b is minus 2 whole square, and that will be the factor of that. Now let's do some more example. We'll do example 2, hopefully, and example 3, and then we'll do some exercise. Okay, example number 2, we have two parts again, part A and part B. Part A, we've been given 49x squared plus 84x plus 36. They say factorize this. This is where the perfect square is very useful, because if we were not using perfect square on this example, we will have to multiply, let's say, 49 times 36, and then we need to find a factor of this, which either when we add them or subtract it will give us 84. So it's a big number, and we don't want to go through that. But using the perfect square, we can rewrite this into the form of perfect square. We have either a plus b or a minus b. I know, because by middle term 84x, right, this is 84x. 84x, it has a positive sign. I know I will have to use a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I want to rewrite this expression I've been given into this form. How will I do? 49 is the same as 7x whole square plus, I leave the middle term for now. I just want to write the last term. 36 is just 6 square. So can I rewrite 84 into 2 times 7x times 6? Yes, I can. The reason for that, 7 times 6 is 42. 42 times 2, it gives me 84x. So I know I can compare this with a plus b whole square. What is it? Is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, what is my a? Will be 7x. What is my b? Will be 6. A is equal to 7x and my b is equal to 6. Therefore, the given expression 49x squared plus 84x plus 36 is equal to what? A plus b. What is my a? 7x. What is my b? Is 6 whole square, and that will be the end of the part. Let's do part B. Part B, first thing first, what do? I'm just going to rewrite this into the form of a square minus b square. The reason for that, my middle term, it has a negative sign, so this I will compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if I can rewrite that, 9x square, I can rewrite into 3x whole square minus, well, I leave the middle term for now. I'm just going to do the last term. I will write that plus 4s plus 2 whole square. Now, what can I rewrite? Minus 12x in term of minus 2 times what is a? 3x times what is b? 2. Will this one give me minus 12? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is minus 12x. Yes, so this shows the given expression is in the form of perfect square, and then I can compare that with a minus b whole square is equal to what? Is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Compare that. That's my a and that's my b. So I've got a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 2. Therefore, the given expression 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 is equal to a minus b. The reason is minus b is got my middle term, it has a negative sign, so I will get A, what is A? 3x minus B, 2 whole square, and that will be the end of that example. Now let's have a look. Example number 3, and then we'll do some exercise after that. Okay, example number 3. We have two parts again, part A and part B. As usual, what I will do first, I will rewrite this into the form of perfect square. First thing, I'm looking at it, my middle term, it has two parts. Well, sorry, my middle term, it has a positive sign, so I can compare this with A plus B. And then I know this one, it has two variables, you've got X and Y, but don't worry about that. We're just using perfect square and everything will fall into a place. We will do a separate videos where we factorize quadratics with the two variable without using perfect square. Right. This one we said we will rewrite this into the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square. Right. If I rewrite this, I will get half X whole square plus, I just leave the middle part for now. I do the last term, which is positive 1 over 9 y square, is the same as 1 over 3 y whole square. Right, so the middle part, it will be 2 times, what is my A? Is 1 over 2 x times, what is my B? 1 over 3 y. 1 over 3 y. Right, then this is the same as this one here. The reason for that, because this 2, it can cancel out with this 2, and then you will get here 1 over 3. So this will be the same as 1 over 2 x square plus 1 over 3 xy plus 1 over 3 y whole square. So we know this expression is perfect square, and then we can write into this format. So from that, by comparing these two with A square plus 2AB plus B square, what will we get? We will get, this is our A and this is our B. So our A is equal to half X and B is equal to third of Y. So our given expression, which it was 1 over 4 x square plus 1 over 3 xy plus 1 over 9 y square, this will be the same as what? A plus B. What is my A? Half of X plus what is B? 1/3 of Y whole square. And that will be the end of that. Let's have a look at part B of this example. Part B, we've been given 1 over 49 y square plus 2 over 7 zy plus z square. Again, it has two variables, but don't worry about two variables for now. We just use perfect square and everything will fall into a place. So if we rewrite this, it will be A plus B. The reason for that, because this middle term, it has positive sign, so we can compare this with the A square plus 2AB plus B square. I'm just going to rewrite this into this form, where what is 1 over 49, it can be rewritten as 1 over 7 w whole square plus what is, I just leave the middle part as it is at the moment. I'm just going to write 2 times 1 over 7 w times z plus what is b square is z square as it is. If I compare this with the above expression, I will get my A as what? 1 over 7 W, and what is my B? Will be Z. So I know A will be 1 over 7th over W and B will be Z. So, and it shows I can rewrite this as 2 times A times B, because A is 1 over 7 and B is 7. So the given expression, it is perfect square. Therefore, to factorize that, 1 over 49 w square plus 2 over 7 zw plus z square is equal to what? Is equal to a plus b. What is my a? 1 over 7 over w plus what is b? Is z whole square. And that will be the end of that. So we've seen three different examples where we've done it. As I normally say, you don't learn mathematics by looking at it, you learn mathematics by doing it. So I'm gonna write few questions for you to try, and then after a few minutes I will write the solution for it. So once I've written the question down, pause the video and try it for yourself. Okay, I've got question number 1. I've got two parts. Part A, 36x squared plus 132x plus 121, and part 2, 25x squared minus 120x plus 144. Please pause the video and try this for yourself, and then we can compare the answers. Right. This is the solution for it. Part A, all I have done is just rewrite this into the form of a plus b whole square, where I got 6x whole square plus 2 times 6x times 11. 121 is just 11 square. Then I compare with a square. I find my a square plus 2ab plus b square, where I find my a is 6x and my b is 11. Once I find a and b, just put them together. The same thing, all I have done is just rewrite this into this form and then compare what is my a and what is my b and put everything together. Let's do one more question and then will be the end of this video. Right, question number 2, part A, part B again. 9m square plus 12mn plus 4n square, and b 81x square minus 36xy plus 4y square. Don't worry about like you've got quadratics with like quadratic expression with two variables, but don't worry about them. The perfect square should work fine with this example. So pause the video and do this for yourself, and then we can compare the solution after you've done it. Right, again, this is the solution of question 2, part A. All I have done is just rewrite this into the form of perfect square. The middle term, it has plus positive sign, so I write into the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. I just compare my terms, m square terms. I get a is equal to 3m and b is equal to 2n, and then once I find a and b, just put them into the formula of perfect square, a plus b whole square. The same thing again. The most important things, look at the middle term. What sign has it got? It has minus sign, so I will compare that with the a minus b, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then I get my a is 9x and my b is 2y. That will be the solution of the given expression as 9x minus 2y. This is how you do it. There's tons and tons of examples. I can spend the whole day doing this, but I can't do that, unfortunately. But as I always keep saying, try to do. The more exercise you do it, the better you become. Mathematics is just, you learn mathematics by doing it. You don't learn mathematics by watching someone else is doing it. So try as you can and things will come clear, inshallah. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, click the notification button. You'll be notified when we send our new videos, and please share these videos with others so they can benefit from it. Let's stop here for today. Wa hada. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.